Yes, I. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I. As the old man continues to revolutionize his life with some trinkets. Nah, I don't mean trinkets. Anyway, I'm here today to talk about my new addition to my the upgrading of my little studio slash laundry room slash basement slash whatever it is that you think of. I got me some a new toy because it is really a toy, and I absolutely love these new things. I used to have some big old loudspeakers. If you go back to one of my first few videos, I had some big, huge loudspeakers. Right, one was right here, and the other was right here. These speakers were from my when I used to go to like block parties or have barbecues when I used to be single and younger and used to live up in the urban jungle. So I got rid of them probably with 20 years old. Gemini speakers. I give them away. And I decided to get something smaller, more conservative. And this worked out for me. The JBL um, party box, JBL party box, you see, it says 120. Now, I may end up getting another one of something slightly bigger, but for now, I'm very satisfied with this because I listen to a lot of heavy music with a heavy bass, like bouillon, guyard, some reggae, calypso, and I back in the day I used to be up in well no let me just continue with my train of thought. Um, I listen to a lot of heavy a lot of music with a lot of heavy bass in it, and so this fits the bill for me. It works fine. Um, I In the past couple of years I realized I couldn't listen to like a lot of heavy bass in my the old loudspeakers I had. They were also very good, but the noise, the constant noise, the bass and everything just was just bothering my ears. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I got rid of my loudspeaker and moved on to something that was less was better. I wouldn't say it's better, but it's just comparable to what I had. Now, I think I got like as you get older, I think my ears is not. I can't listen to a lot of loud music anymore. Back in the day, I used to be going to a lot of carnivals and jump behind the truck, jump at the back of the truck, and I used to be next to these loudspeakers. I don't go too many carnivals anymore because I'm older and with a family and all. I don't have that much time to go to these things, but I think that kind of damaged my ears a little bit, and so um, that plus aging. I'm not that young anymore, but I'm thrilled to have this at home when I play my soca music, bouillon music, reggae, guyard, and this is really good. I may buy another one, um, just like that, the very same one or one that's slightly bigger. It depends, but for now, I really like this a lot. Let me just turn it on. I can't. I'm not gonna test it out. See, like with song music because I don't know, like get copyright strikes and I don't know what they can get me for, so I'm not gonna risk it.
Let's potty!
So
Let's potty!
yeah, I don't know what that's about, but As you can see, this thing is cool, man. It's really cool. It has lights and everything. You see right here, this is lights and everything. Oh, yeah, it's so nice to be having this. It has a lot of features. It's Bluetooth. One of the reasons why I bought it was because I would when I go on the deck outside and when I move about and I listen to a lot of music. So if I go to my room, the deck, the living room, I could just simply carry it with me and get some nice songs. Um, yeah, I was thinking about buying some tower speakers, but uh, tower tower speakers and most of them are like stationary, so that wouldn't allow me to take it out to the deck. And um, I'm assuming those that can do that are more expensive. So this works out great for me. As I said, I might buy another one. I got this on sale for like 299, 298 exactly. Um, Normally it would cost like 349, but I got a huge discount. Give me a discount. So I may end up actually buying another one, but I think it will be on Black Friday. I still got to buy my gaming desktop. I'm shopping around right now. Um, I just took up all of my old PC games. As you can see, it says this is a PC game from way back when, and I'm really excited. I might even become a streamer, streaming games. So let's see what happens, man. So if you're on the fence about one of these, please go ahead and buy it. This is the 120, as I showed you. You can see it right here. I don't know if you could see it. 120 and party box. You can see it on the box. What am I doing? What am I doing here? It's on the box right here. It's nice. It has some nice lights on it. You know, back in the day, you wouldn't get something like that, but in this day and age, you could get almost anything. It has all the ports at the back. It has a jack and a USB, and it's a bunch of things on there. But for my purposes, I like this. I really like this. Um, I really like this, and I'm gonna buy another one. So take it from me, it's a buy. Go ahead and buy this, especially the 120. Go ahead and buy this. I may end up buying the 310 or something bigger as my taste changes. But I most definitely think I'll buy another one of this. It looks so nice. It looks so nice right next to my little spot right there, my little sofa, which I'm gonna I'm gonna upgrade as well. Look at this. This is so beautiful, man. And imagine if I have two of these, one here and one there. Um, I might take a chance and test it out in another video. So, because I'll like you to hear it while it plays. So if you're into bouillon and all these heavy bass things, genres of music, get one. All right, that's it. I will definitely play it someday if I do find some non-copyright type of music. All right, so let me switch over into Creole. Bonsoir nan nuit ka vini la. Comment te ka pale? Mwen te ka di yo, mwen genye an speaker nef. Sa e ka kriye an JBL. JBL, speaker nef mwen tape mwen genye pou 300 US dollar. Et puis, ça c'est un bon speaker même. Si ou teni pou tan kon y ka sonne, ou te ki kontan. Si ka konsidwe gen yon prezant, komo te ka di, la mwen te pli jen, mwen, non, sa mwen te ka di se, mwen, komo ka vini pli vie, zoe mwen ka vini pli soud, tout moun Depi ou ka vini vie, ou ke vini soud, ou bien ou ke vini titak soud. En nom kon mwen te ka toujou koute mizik ki ni go bass. Kon sa, mwen kwe sa afekte zowe mwen titak. Paske jodi se jou sa mwen pa sa asiz la epi tan mizik ki tou for. Ki a fe zowe mwen fe mwen mal. I pa mouve, men mwen pa eme tan mizik ki ka jwe for. Se pou chi mwen teni, avan speaker sa mwen teni Dego speaker. Si ou ale de mwen kwe se dezyem ou be toazyem video mwen fe, mwen teni Dego speaker la, mwen ba an moun nom ki pli jen speaker paske il ka fe top 20 pou mwen. Mwen ale gen sa, epi i travay bon pou mwen. Mwen kwe mwen ke gen an lot. Ou be yon ki pli ho ki sa, men mwen seten se an lot kon sa mwen ke gen. I ka gade bel, i ka sone bel, son se chanson an ka sone bel a soui, i ka gade bel. Se sou sa i ka fe bel biten pou moun jen, mwen se ouviye nan men mwen me patisipe a da biten jen moun ka fe. Men i bon pou mwen, i pa ka sone, i ke sou kwe kayu, men i pa fò kon sa mwen teni avan, men i bon pou mwen. Se sa mwen te ka gade pou. Osi mwen sa chaye, ise yon chaye, mwen sa chaye, epi mwen de wo asou dek la, dan chan mwen, dan la sal mwen, nebe kote mwen ka ale, mwen sa ani chaye, kome ka jere muzik aday, mwen ka muzik ki asou phone mwen, cell phone mwen sa konekte ye pi cell phone la, mwen ka nan jere kon sa. Men, se sa ki bon pou yi, mwen pa ni PS kod pou konekte biten, pi osi in yo battery an di day. Kon sa, ba bizwen, an di charge li, e pi sa se sa. Si sa mwen ka di angle osi, se mwen pou gen yon kompyuta pou jwe kompyuta game, paske mwen ka viwe jwe kompyuta game, epi mwen yon woul pou jwe game osi, se woul pou kondwi vwati le mwen ka jwe game. Mwen yon ti bwet la ki ni otan game, kompyuta game. Men sa se sa mwen te ka fe avon mwen te maye ou sa. Mwen te ade na kay mwen la. Mwen sorti travay ou ben mwen sorti de work a dwive. Mwen te ka weste la jwe game. Kon sa mwen tiwe, mwen achete, mwen ale tiwe game mwen pou viye jwe. Yon wet game la. Mwen gen yon kompyuta la, mwen ki komanse ka jwe game asou, pitet mwen ke jwe game asou internet la, epi kondwi vwati la, apon mwen jwe sa asou TV la osi. Oui, kon mwen ka fe Whitman asou studio mwen la, mwen ke moutre zon lot. Chak tan yo peye mwen apre mwen travay, mwen ka gen yon ti morso speaker, yon ti morso kompyuta la. Mwen pa eme gen biten ase kwedi, mwen kwe se kwedi. Si la mwen peye mwen, si la mwen ka gen biten. Mwen pa eme pon lanje moun pou ale gen biten. Bon, sa se tout pou jodi ya. Mwen ke follow video akon lot.